Hello, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a quick overview of this Arduino obstacle avoiding robot using the L298N 8-bridge motor driver. So you may be wondering when to use an Arduino motor shield as shown in many tutorial videos, and when to use a motor driver module. Well, basically, if you would like to save some space in your robot chassis, you can use the shield because it's very compact and it can be put on the top of your Arduino Uno. But if you would like to add some extra functions to your robot, such as light tracking, human motion detection, or Bluetooth control, and so forth, there will be two issues with the shield. The first issue is that there is only a limited number of pins available on the shield, and the second thing is that you have to solder these pin headers on to the shield, which requires some basic soldering skills that you may find a bit challenging. So as for the motor driver, you can see even when the whole thing has been completed, there's still plenty of pins remaining on the Arduino ready to be used. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into this testing session.
The first test case is to block robot on the left side. In this case, it will turn right. If something's blocking on the right side, it will turn left. Sometimes I also call this robot a flinching robot because sometimes it's just too fast that it seems to be afraid of everything. If both sides are just too narrow, this robot will just simply turn around. Now it's time to pose some challenge to our robot friend. I can't believe it's wandering around so easily. Guess it's time for some practical test. Okay, so that's pretty much summed up the video. If you want to learn how to make this robot, visit instructables.com or check the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.